Soy de Yucatán. Gracias.
Straight, I think.
I heard that the tacos stand without queuing for an hour.
Really?
Tacos.
Yes.
Yeah.
You'd be there 3 days.
Yes. By the time I took the Uber, going, it was half an hour between the one and the other. I was out with a prescription, paying.
Why do you feel Oh, wow. People here just look different.
Yeah. Everybody's lighter skin. Huh.
Yeah, not only that, but Todd, have you heard the phrase
Lobster.
morphology?
Morphology?
It's more fun to get them a stupid answer or like to not be as straightforward. You know what I mean, right? It's like, so they're like, oh, you know. Probably would be pretty nice to have something. No, I don't think that's quite a thing. What happened? So what? How did you like Jamie once again? And you haven't for I realize you're you gotta be careful about telling What if you need a visa for South America?
Go.
This is reservación para Cindy or Enrique? Para Cindy.
I think we started out as a sign.
Giant robot.
It's just like, I don't know, it's just like animals, like the little violent toys and stuff like that. It's over named it.
Shit you care about. It's very Ooh. Es, ¿puedes comer? ¿Sí? ¿Es arte o comida?
Las dos cosas.
Las dos cosas. Ah.
Es una combinación de ambas.
Gracias, cuñado. Yeah. Yeah, food porn. So, what my suggestion is, figure out what you care about in general and then start photographing that. So, for example, I care about Cindy and I care that I shoot photos of her. It's not like, so I care more about the real life Cindy than
What did you order?
Oh my goodness.
Food experience.
Holy moly, it's fucking party.
Perfect. What are the empanadas?
Quesadilla.
Oh.
Wow. Yeah, no, in New York it would cost. Oops, sorry. Pretend like that didn't happen. Your camera's so
Oh my god.
Hey, Todd.
Oh, okay. Oh, wow. Alright, let me get a photo.
That's art.
That's ceviche, huh?
The back.
Oh wow!
That's the front.
Oh, that's beautiful.
Oh, you're eating more stuff?
I feel like we'll be here for the next 5
That
hours.
was the appetizer.
That was the
only.
appetizer.
Oh, God, that was my meal.
Did you? Oh, you didn't order a
Oh yeah, taco is so
entree.
beautiful.
No, that's fine.
Nearby? Sir. Wow.
Oh, my goodness.
Oh my god, it's so beautiful.
It looks different on the gray plate than the blue plate.
It looks,
Okay.
everyone pay attention. Stand up. Focus.
Oh, don't get in the shot.
Oh god.
It's Japanese.
Yeah, we don't eat it.
We just stay here.
Cindy is the best.
Sydney for president.
Cindy for president.
You kicked your coverage, so you got married so far, Eric.
Yeah.
Sorry about my arm.
Flavors of the sorbets. This one it's made with this one the black, but it's made with chocolate and needs to cacao. In the next, this one is a lime, another one is mezcal, mango, coconut, and the last one is vanilla. The special ice cream is made with burning corn, cacao, and gold pepper. And the last one is Maria. Maria is a special dessert from Dulce Patria.
¿Es su novia?
No, not now, but I hope. Maria is the cheese cream made with cacao and white chocolate. And inside you can find mango. And outside one from made with vanilla. So mango in the top. Wow. And the cookie is made with amaranth and white chocolate.
What's the plate made out of?
The next it's dark chocolate with hazelnut. And the last one is apricot candies. Thank you for coming.
Oh, muchas gracias. Oh my god. Hey, you're making the dizzy. Go the other way. Go the other way.
Wait, do you want to take a photo of this or do you want me to call it? Okay, so the last thing I was going to say, some people are like, oh, the hands are just by the side, and it's like not as interesting. That's what some people say. But for
Keep it closed.
eyes are closed.
Keep it closed.
People's eyes are not closed.
My eyes are closed.
Wow. Oh, why are your eyes closed, Eric?
Yeah, your eyes are all closed.
Okay.
Stick out your hands.
Oh yeah, stick your hand.
Huh? Should we open our eyes now? Yeah, you can open. Dun, 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 dun. Open it. Okay, alright. Open it.
What is it?
Oh, this is so nice.
Oh.
Try it out, try it out. Take out your cameras.
Okay.
Sweet.
Okay.
So this is, we got the leather straight from Hermes. No, I'm just kidding. But then our friend handmade all of it. It's a crimson red Henri wrist strap with like the cream colored stitching and then the brass component.
That's really great.
And it looks like
This is better than this.
oh yeah, give it a go, give it a go.
Oh, yes, it's
You
Take out your several recaps. So, just for your own personal application. I think everyone in this workshop, I love everything what everyone did in the workshop. And this is just like personal advice I give everyone. I think in your everyday life, just if I were you, stick with the Ricoh. It's actually not ideal to photograph your kids with, but my suggestion is that like you're gonna be in more situations where your son is gonna be doing something funny. My homework assignment for you is for the next 3 months. Just keep your Ricoh in your front pocket. Does it fit in your front pocket?
It does. I carry it around a lot.
Is it in your front pocket?
Yeah.
And I would also recommend you to use the flash more because sometimes you can have your kid running in and out of the frame, but you can really capture some interesting moments. And I actually really like her color photos. And you know, obviously you can experiment for the Rico, different between color. Do you prefer the color or the black and white Rico?
It depends on the situation.
Okay, so it doesn't really matter. Just shoot both. Allow yourself to shoot both. But just for the next 3 months, just always keep in your front pocket. Take it to work. Keep at the house. Like even for me and Cindy, like I always keep my Rico in my front pocket, and it's just nice too because like 90% of the time, it could be a totally random place you're in, and as long as you have cameras, it's a good opportunity. Like even for me. Half the time I make interesting photos in the bathroom. So like, you remember when you go to the bathroom here, like the pink floor? So I actually shot a photo of that. So like, just keep shooting more photos in everyday life. And also like you're in a very interesting position in Berkeley and San Francisco right now. So I think you really care a lot about social issues, about, you know, things which are changing. So document that as well as photographs. Because I think your commentary on everything that's happened is very intelligent. With that plus the photos, then you'd be like her level. Is that like, yeah, then maybe you could even do a project because like I bet you 10, 15 years from now, the Bay Area is going to look so different. And if you start shooting photos right now and documenting it, you'll be so grateful that you do. And then yeah, you could even treat it kind of like a social anthropological study. But yeah, that'd be nice.
Awesome, man. Thank you guys. Señor, ¿vas a querer cabeza va?
Hermana, sí.
¿Cabeza va?
Ya, sí. Me gusta su pelo. Oh. ¿Tú eres famoso?
¿Cuál es tu nivel?
¿Tú eres Cristiano Ronaldo? No. ¿Tú eres Cristiano Ronaldo? Jugador de fútbol. Ronaldo. Órale, vato. No, soy chilango. Pero mi pelo es coreano.
No, tú eres de China.
De China. Gracias.
What are these? Is that
the panucho?
Oh, that's the panucho. Wait, what is that? That's
taco, por favor. ¿Cuántos tacos? Un taco y 3 panuchos.
here. Is that one taco on there?
Oh yeah. Okay, you guys get in here.
All right, wait. Let me take a picture.
So if you guys in over here,
Load it up.
Mercedes, the lady working at the last night's restaurant, he's like, oh, our favorite place to eat is
Perdona, ¿tú los trajiste acá?
Tourists?
¿A los turistas?
Oh, sí.
You speak English?
Yeah.
How you arrived to this spot?
Oh, I came here before last year.
You know that you're in one of the best spots.
This is the best tacos.
Of Mexico City?
Yeah.
I'm amazed that it's the first time that I have never seen tourists.
Oh, really?
Yeah. This is a secret place from Mexico.
Yeah.
I just asked him.
We're sorry we ruined your secret.
No. We love to share it. Where are you from?
Soy de los Estados Unidos.
Estados Unidos, which city?
Los Angeles.
Los Angeles. It's like in Los Angeles.
What do you think?
When you go to,
Spicy.
Everybody goes to Beverly Hills. I love, for example, an Indian restaurant in Los Feliz.
Los
It's a secret place. This is the best cochinita that you can have in Mexico.
Del mundo. Porque muy famoso y delicioso. Porque no hay cochinita pipi en Estados Unidos.
No.
Porque soy de Los Ángeles.
No, nada.
Voy a poner un negocio allá en Los Ángeles.
Pero es que nos quieren hacer el muro y entonces aventar un cochino está muy difícil. Pero ustedes son los mismos del puesto de Salinillas.
So what do you think?
Familia.
Amazing, huh?
Hagan sus obras.
Ya mi suegro acaba de morir.
I love this place.
¿Cómo te llamas?
Secret.
Ernesto, me llamo Enrique Iglesias. Dije Kim Gracias porque soy coreano.
Coreano.
Ya, soy
Entonces
coreano.
te iba desde el puesto de acá.
No, yo toda la vida en Salinillas y luego pues ya a Capolán.
No, y luego se pusieron en la farmacia.
Hey, God, is that like cracker? So good.
Alright, I'm gonna eat my taco. Oh yeah, can you just...
There might be some cochinita juices on this camera.
Alright, here's my Opterex taco. And it's all falling out. Oh, it's so good.
¿Dónde empieza el Turix de México? ¿En Salinillas?
Empieza en el puesto, sí.
In a, you know, street food
Not meat.
spot. On a very popular neighborhood.
See, now eating all this fancy food, this just has that punch of flavor that you don't get at the fancy restaurants. That's so good. That meat, look, it's just dripping juice. Oh. Oh, it's so good. I'm so full. So good. El Turk. Gotta come here.
Oh, so happy.
Let me get you.
Su inspiración de restaurante.
You're gonna be with El Torres,
Oh,
man.
shit.
Trabajar porque mira, si tú trabajas en lo que te gusta y te deja dinero, y ves aquí pasaron las chamaconas, no había nada.
You get it?
No.
That he loves to do what he wants to do. And sometimes the good girls cross up by in this
Oh, qué bueno.
I know,
Qué
I know.
bueno.
Sometimes you got it,
Sí, sí,
sometimes
sí.
no.
What else you can add?
Oh.